Welcome, nature and bird enthusiasts. Did you know that Lahore, once famously known as the City of Gardens, was once like an urban forest? Our streets, parks and courtyards echoed with the songs of bulbuls, sparrows, hoopoes and sunbirds. Birds were a natural part of daily life. But today, due to concrete expansion, loss of greenery, and excessive pesticide use, the population of garden birds in Lahore is declining. Species that were once common are now becoming rare. The good news, you can help bring them back. Even a small backyard, rooftop, or garden can become a safe haven for birds. Only if we make it welcoming. So let me share 5 simple tips to help you start birdwatching in your own backyard and reconnect with the beautiful wildlife around you. Tip number 1. Understand the birds. The first step to successful birdwatching is simple. Observe. Just sit quietly and watch. The birds have fascinating behaviors, from how they call each other, to how they feed or react to danger. Each movement, sound, or posture has meaning. If you want birds to feel comfortable around you, learn to read their body language and habits. Over time, you'll begin to understand their little world. Tip number 2. Respect their space. Once you begin to understand bird behavior, you'll realize they need privacy and safety. Never get too close to feeding or nesting areas. Avoid touching bird feeders or bird baths. When birds are around, give them space to trust you. Remember, the more peaceful their environment, the more likely they are to return. Tip number 3. Offer food and water. One of the best ways to attract birds is by offering food and water. Set up a variety of bird feeders with seeds, grains, fruits, or even mealworms, depending on what birds visit your area. Also provide a clean bird bath or shallow water dish for drinking and bathing. It's especially important during the hot weather. Tip number 4. Spend time with them. Now that your backyard is bird-friendly, make time to enjoy it. Sit quietly for at least 30 minutes a day. You don't need fancy equipment, just patience. But if you have a pair of binoculars, even better. As birds get used to your presence, they'll slowly come closer. And trust me, those little moments of connection are magical. Tip number 5. Be a friend to nature. Birds are more than just beautiful creatures. They're indicators of a healthy environment. If birds are thriving in your area, it means your local ecosystem is doing well. By protecting and supporting birds, you're contributing to a cleaner, greener, and more balanced environment. Lahore's garden birds may be in decline, but together we can help bring their songs back to our city.